So today we're going to be talking about a Seyfocnia luggage bag. So this is like a travel bag. You can do weekends or you can also do international. So when it comes in a color tan with some great high quality leather straps. Super cute. It has a little adjustable clamps if you want to make them shorter. We have a lot of zippers. So we have front zippers here so we can go ahead and put some stuff in the front here. Also has a zipper in the back so you can go ahead and put more of your personal items, passports, anything that you want. Another cool feature about this, it has like a little sleeve here so you can put it on top of your luggage. So we have a luggage here. So once you go ahead and put this right over here, our luggage could be right on top of our bigger luggage here so we can be hassle-free at the airport or anything, or weekend trip, whatever you prefer. Also too, what it comes with a really big pouch at the bottom as well with some nice quality zippers. And I put shoes down here, so it comes with a good pair with good sneakers here and some sandals down here. And if you do come a little closer, I'll show you the inside of this bag. Again, double zippers, which is always nice. When we open this up, we have a zipper on the side so you can go ahead and put more personal stuff, anything that you like. Very spacious and roomy on the inside to put blankets, clothes. And then on the other side of the bag, we do have extra pockets so you can put your phone or any more personal items as well. All right. Another cool feature that comes with this bag is also comes with a strap so you can put on your shoulders. It comes with these clasps, and you can also put this on the side, clasp them in, and it is nice and secure so it doesn't come off when you do rather pick it up. So, and it comes also too with the shoulder protector so it doesn't hurt you when you're on or walking through the airport or anything. So then you put it right on top and give it a try.